Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shakina Fahana binti Samad, number matric 1182068. So today I would like to talk about my counselling company that given by Dr. Adli, which is Eastern and Oriental Berhad, or also known as ENO. So for the chapter 1, I will talk about the background of this company. Okay, ENO is a lifestyle property development company that involved in designing, building, development and management of residential and commercial properties. Okay, this company operates through three segments, which is properties, hospitality, investment and others. Its projects are in Kuala Lumpur, Penang and London. Beside the headquarters of ENO is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. For the first counselling method, which is C. C is stand for current earning. So by looking this data here, we can see that ENO company net income for the fourth quarter of 2021 was negative, with a net loss of 75.19 million ringgit, increasing 63% from the previous quarter. Because the firm earnings have been declining for the past 4 quarters, it is a warning sign that the company will lose money if the next quarter is also negative. The ENO will not be able to report positive income growth in 2020 despite facing economic challenges. Okay, then we look at the company annual earning growth, which is the second method for counselling. According to this graph, this company has seen negative annual growth over the last 5 years, although having growth in 4 of those years. Start with 2016, the profit consistently increased until 2019 and slightly dropped to 62.4 million ringgit. However, by 2020, the price has dropped drastically, resulting in a net loss of 195.9 million ringgit. Indeed, the loss is due to a pandemic that will occur in 2020. For the third method of counselling is news. At this article, the board of ENO is strengthening shareholder value for the property development company, and then they will focus on boosting product offerings and cutting costs. This assessment is based on the analyst observation in relation to the company future investment. Aside from that, there have been roughly 5 other positive news stories in the last 5 months, but this is the most recent news for ENO company. So next method is the demand and supply. As seen in the data above, the ENO company daily trading volume 2 million is slightly lower than the average trading volume 9 million over the last 3 months. It indicates that investor attention is still not fully focused on the company shares. However, this data was collected 15 minutes after the market started and revealed a significant trade volume for a short period of time. Ladder and laggard is method number 5. Okay, the movement of the ENO company share price, which is number color blue, in 2020 is slightly lower than the movement of the Bursa Malaysia Property Development Index, which is graph color orange. As a result, ENO shares can be classified as a leader when compared to its other Bursa Malaysia competitors. So another approach is to compare the whole company market capital with those of its competitors. Okay, next method is institutional investors. Okay, from this data, retailers own 49.95% of ENO company shares, or nearly half of their stock. they have institutional in this company but only 51.5%. Other than that, the stock price rise slowly when a retailer has a substantial share of the stock. For the last method is market direction. According to the E&O company counter direction, the stock has been in a bullish period since November 2020. After the share split was implemented at the end of May 2021, only the stock price dropped. It is still can increase but in a long-term period. So this indicates that the E&O company stock is on the downtrend in the short term. Overall, according to the data, this counter appears to be in a downturn. Only 3 of the 7-step process that have a beneficial effect. Okay, first is a new product. Second is leather and lagat. And the third is institutional. I think that's all from me. Thank you for hearing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.